Oh man. Well, shelter's set up. Fire I'm not worried about because I've got fuel for days. Mosquitoes are a pain, but try to have some crystal light. Stay hydrated. I'm just going to use the same bottle I've been sucking out of. It's a really nice day. Really nice day. I worked, my job was like, hey, do you want 40 hours a week? And I said, yeah. They said, well, we have 2 more days we can give you because I work weekends. But they're 12-hour days, so, you know, they're day killers. And they said, well, we're going to give you 2 graveyard shifts. So I literally got up, I was off work this morning at 6 a.m. So, I mean, as much as I like the free time, and I do, I like it a lot, but it's like, you know, I don't want to be homeless. Crystal Light's pretty good stuff. This is the wild strawberry. I think it's sugar free. Yeah, it must be. Yeah, it is. You know, they're small, they're light, they're compact. They taste good. I doubt they have any electrolytes, but maybe I'll have a snack. I'm not crazy hungry though. Decided to go ahead and start filtering now, so I don't have to mess around with it later. So I brought this out here because I was drinking it. It's not my Powerade bottle. I brought this out here specifically for collecting water, so I can fill my Sawyer mini bag. Man, mosquitoes are thick out here today. One big downside I see to this Sawyer filter, the bag's kind of small, so I gotta make repeated trips. So I guess it's not that big a deal really, but I sound like I'm in a huge hurry. I don't really need to cut a whole bunch of firewood because I'd just get all sweaty and hot again if I did. One thing I'm going to have to do with this table is I'm going to have to cut a couple of flat parts just so when I'm filtering or when I'm working I won't have stuff that's tipping, because I replaced the cap on everything when I'm done except for my collection. I'm going to go get more water. So Alright, I got my Nalgene all filled up. Got the outdoor products liter filled up, filtered. The bottom is gusseted. I just gotta make sure it doesn't tip over. Rather, I don't want it to tip over. And then I've got 2 down here, the Sawyer bag and the dirty bottle for of unfiltered water ready to go. So, and it's only 12 minutes after 5, so I got plenty of time. Just relaxing again. Just taking it all in. Birds chirping. Probably should start getting some firewood together. There's a whole bunch of stuff over behind the camera. I can just pick right up off the ground and burn, so. And I've got all this stuff here. So. And I know I'm gonna make my fire today, so I'm not worried about that. Really curious how that jungle blanket's going to work out. I really hope it works well. And the sleeping bag too. I read a Amazon review and they said they had to get up every 3 hours to reinflate it. But that was the only one. So either he didn't have the cap in all the way, or maybe he just got a defective model. I mean, it's, you know, things aren't perfect. It's just like, you know, the reviews on Amazon, it's like, my item wasn't perfect, so I don't like it. It's like, well, nothing is perfect. You know, may have just the slightest little leak. Like, contact them and, you know, see about getting a new one. It's like, just, that's what I would do. If they, you know, if the sleeping pad didn't work, I would send them an email and say, hey, you know, this thing was losing air. What's up with that? So, you know, it is what it is. It's a nice day. Kind of wish I had my other chair so I can recline back, but it's alright. I know elk have been through here because going down to the water to get to filter, there's a big old elk print right in the right on the trail. It was pretty cool. It was a big one too. So they're probably appreciative of me making. I've literally made a game trail out to the car. So, which I guess could be bad because someone could see the trail and maybe follow it, but so far nobody has. So knock on wood. So I'm gonna keep this spot on the DL as much as possible. I wouldn't even dare bring my my 22 out here because I don't want anyone to hear shots. I don't want to hear, you know. I never play music anyway when I'm out here. I mean, I have music in the car. I mean, I listen to music every day, so yeah, I like the peace and quiet. I might go out and check the car because there's a grill someone left out there, and I want to bring it at my camp. So.